Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of it's a Monday, August the 2nd, 2021. We have here a puzzle page with only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and we have here in this puzzle page an additional with 6 extra puzzles. A ladder Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, a Sudoku with 3 stars, a tectonic with 4 stars. So the publisher has replaced the Sudoku with 4 stars with a tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star. So total of 6 extra Sudokus, and only 3 of them I will solve. Those are the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Alright, but first we'll solve this baby Sudoku Medium. Yes, number. This will be number. Let me see. Position the camera. This will be a number. 3183. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the... Wait. Those missing numbers are 5, 4, 2. Well, I need to wait for this one. Let me see. Well, the 1 in this column, the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then let me see. Okay. We have a pair. 6 and a 7 in this row. 6 and a 7 in the 3rd row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 and the 7 should be in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and a 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then the 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the 3rd row. So in the row between, the 2nd row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing and the 8 is missing in this big square. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. We have a pair. Look, we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 5. Could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 1 and a 5. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the third row for the number 2. Yeah, 2 is missing. Alright. 3 is missing in this big square. 5 is missing in this big square. And 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Then. Let me see. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. Come on. One. 4. We have a pair. 4 and 8 in the third column. 4 and 8 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 8. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Here should be the 6. The 7 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 9. Need to wait. 2 and 4. Yeah. Think. Two. Yeah. Yeah. 4. 2. Yeah. Where is the opening? 5. But the 1. I'm thinking. But it's taking too long. 2 and 4. Yeah. Come. Well, let me put some numbers. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 4 and an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. Overlooked. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 2. Well, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 9 is missing. 5 in the 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in. No. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 7 and 2. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 7. Alright. So what are those 3 missing numbers? The 3 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 6 is missing. Okay. 1, 3, 1, 3, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes. And there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Or 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And then. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 in this column should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. Yes, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Now, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. So is this really a 2 stars? Yes. Because my time limit 15 to 20 minutes, so it's correct. And I like this medium. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a I see you later with the extra Sudokus. I will do 3 of them in additional. So prepare for those 3. Until then, bye bye for now.